Transform your 3D space into an immersive and interactive experience that captivates your audience by adding content and portals. Add images and videos. Upload images and videos directly from your computer or your content library. You can also upload videos from YouTube by copy-paste the URL or by searching with keywords. Additionally, you can make the images and videos interactive with clickable elements, adjust their appearance, or set playback options. Add 3D objects and texts. Upload 3D objects directly from your computer or your content library. You can also leverage Sketchfab's extensive library by searching with keywords to find the perfect fit for your project. 3D objects and text can be used for decorative or informational purposes. You can customize their style, placement, and interactivity for a seamless fit. Add portals. Portals provide an effortless way to connect your 3D space with other virtual spaces in your portfolio or public spaces on Metasteps, enabling a continuous and engaging journey for your visitors. When you finish with multimedia objects and portals, you are ready to go to step 4.